Hi, welcome to our next SYVE Chat. My name is Miriam and I work as a talent acquisition lead.
And my name is Caroline and I work as a talent acquisition specialist.
And today we're going to talk about how you can make your CV and LinkedIn profile stand out when looking for new opportunities. Your profile is your chance to show future employers who you are and what you can bring to the table. At System Verification, we are looking for people that share our passion for software quality assurance and wants to grow with us.
To help companies see your full potential, it is important that your CV and your LinkedIn profile highlights what makes you unique. And here are our best tips to help you do just that.
First, be specific. If you have experience in testing, test automation, or QA, clearly state which tools you work with and how you work with them. For example, is it Selenium, Jira, or Jenkins? List them and show that you are proficient.
Second, describe what you have actually done. Share the projects that you have worked with and the systems that you have tested. Also, the challenges you solved and the results you contributed to.
Finally, keep your profile updated and clear. Employers look at both your CV and your LinkedIn, so make sure they match and reflect your ambition and your skills. We look forward to potentially getting to know you better and perhaps being a match for you in the future. Good luck, and remember, quality is always key, both in your work and in your CV.
That's it for us today. Thank you so much for listening, and we will see you in the next SYVE Chat.